Good morning, everyone. This is Krista. I'm an Aqua Yoga coach and trainer, and this week is Noodle Week. So I'm sharing about how to use pool noodles, lots of them in land yoga stuff since we're having trouble making it in the pool, but I know you really want to see what we use these for in the pool. So easiest thing, number one, we can use a pool noodle for support. So that can be as easy as I'm standing in the pool in mountain pose. I'd like to take a twist so the noodle can support me as I twist my spine. I can use the buoyancy of the noodle either to assist me or resist me. So if I want it for assistance, I could put it behind my knee. The buoyancy of the noodle is holding my knee up, making it a little easier to move that around. I can also use it for some resistance, such as on the pool floor, putting my toes on it, challenging my balance a little bit. I can also use a pool noodle to help me build some strength with that buoyancy resist, such as if I come into a warrior two, push this pool noodle down a little bit, I'm exercising some strength with my arms. So just 3 super fast and easy ways you can use a pool noodle next time you make it in the pool and get to practice Aqua Yoga. Be sure and visit my website, christopherbrother.com, so you can get more tips and connect with me on Aqua Yoga all week long. Thanks so much. Have a great day, everybody.